Hey guys, we're going to check out an ebook today. You're going to go on your Chromebooks, destiny.ouboces.org. That's OUBOCES.org. Then, many of you already know how to do this. You're going to click on Pine Bush Central School Libraries and click on Crispell and your login. You're going to log in using your PB and your lunch number, and then your password is the first 3 letters of your birth month, and then your 6-digit date of birth. Many of you know this very well from going on to the library computers. You're going to click on Login, and you're going to have different options available. I want you to click on Catalog, and then we are going to go on the left-hand side to a site that's part of this called Destiny Discover. It's going to redirect you, and you're going to see a different website up here, but it should tell you your name. Now, here are all these lovely ebooks that you have the availability to read. Many, many brand new ones that are just popping in, and some oldies and goodies. As you scroll down, you see the recent books, some popular books. You see all different topics. I have a ton of graphic novels and some interactive books at the bottom. And these are great audiobooks if you just want to sit, close your eyes and listen, which is a great thing to do. Take a break from watching TV. I want you to take a look at your ebooks here. Now, on the left upper corner, you see there's a blue triangle. So this one has a green triangle, and then this book here has a red triangle. This one is checked out. The ones with the green are checked in. These are interesting ones, and I want you to pay attention to this. This means that everybody could look at this book at the same time. It's called a simultaneous use book. Now, there are mostly nonfiction books, which are factual books in this collection, but there are a few fiction titles. We're going to click on See All, and you can scroll down through all of them. So you could take a look at ancient China, or you can take a look here at the story of fossils. There's so many different books available. But as I said, many of these simultaneous books are only or mostly nonfiction. So you want to get a good look at these books and figure out which ones are going to be right for you. All right. You can email me at lisa.metz@pinebushschools if you have any questions. Thanks.